Today, we've got another incredible gem for you, straight from the pages of Nijan L. Dane's book, Dropping Gems 365. Now hold on to your seats because we are about to tackle a major misconception. So many people are trying to transform their lives by claiming they are making a 360. But here's the real deal. It should be a 180. Let's clear up this confusion once and for all. Don't let your mind trick you into manifesting a return to those negative patterns you're trying to leave behind. Listen closely, gemstones. Making a 360 in your life means spinning around in a full circle and ending up right back where you started. It's like an endless twirl that won't get you anywhere. Let's be crystal clear. We're not about those 360s in life. Repeat after me. No 360s, no going back to the old ways. What we're all about is making 180s. It's about changing the direction you're facing, reversing your course, and embracing a new path. According to Dane, making a 180 turn means transforming the way you think and make decisions. But making a 360 turn, that's just going in circles, staying stuck in the same old patterns of thinking and doing. We are not about that 360 life. Remember, your body listens to your mind. So, right here, right now, make up your mind that you're committed to making 180s in your life for positive change. That's it. That's all it takes to set yourself on the path to greatness. Dropping Gems 365 does it again. It's a game changer, clearing up all that 360, 180 confusion. If today's dive into Nijan L. Dane's DG365 book resonates with you, don't miss out on the incredible wisdom within its pages. Grab your copy today using the purchase links below. Please show us some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Remember, it's all about those 180s. Embrace the power of transformation and let's soar together as we live, learn, and create.